Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will add some sample data to work with this subseries. So in this subseries, we are going to learn about table joins. So we will create some sample data and we will keep some sample row so that we can easily work through the examples. Here we are creating table A, which contains only two columns, ID for table A and data for this table A. Next, we create one more table, table B. So this also contains a similar data type, ID for B and data for table B. Then we will create one more table called table trans that contains ID D and data for transaction. So if you see, there are three tables, each contains two data columns. Then we will insert some sample data. Here we insert data for first table. Here there are three records for second table, and for third table we create 5 data. Alright, now we will go ahead and prepare these sample tables. So here is the query editor. So here is the query editor window. We will pick database as CTube. So we opened a new query and we set database as CTube. As already explained in the slide, here we are creating 3 tables. We will execute it, and this go statement here states that we want to execute these 3 in batches. Right? Even though we select all, it is equivalent to selecting the statement one by one and executing it. Alright, now we will execute it. So here you are seeing commands completed successfully, and when you refresh the tables node, you will see all 3 tables, and you can see the column definition as well, ID A and data A. This is for table B and this is for table trans. Right? Next, we will add some sample data for all these 3 tables. This is for first table, this one is for second, and for third table we add 5 rows. Alright, now we will execute this. So I'm selecting only this statement. Why? Because these tables were already created. Here you can see all data inserted into the relevant tables. Now we will open a new query window and we can examine the data entered into these tables. So the IntelliSense tells that invalid object name. So since these tables are entered newly into the database, we should go to IntelliSense and refresh the local cache. So after a few seconds, the red squiggly is gone. Now we can execute all these 3 statements by clicking the execute button, and you can see the sample data are ready for experiment purpose. Right, this is table A, and you can see ID is matching between these two tables. 2 also exists, 3 is there in table B, it's not there in table A. Similarly for transaction also, these IDs are repeating, 1, 3, 2 is missing here, and data column contains some sample data. Alright, our simple data model is ready to experiment with table joins. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.